Design of light gauge steel frame for building structures with FRAMECAD Structure. A tutorial series by engineer Siraj Biswas. Chartered Engineer, Institute of Engineers, India. Gold medalist in engineering stream, University of Mysore. M.Tech in Structural Engineering, IIT, Delhi. Sun Certified Java Programmer, Sun Microsystem, USA.
In today's section, we shall perform the leveling of various wall panels, the joist and the truss we have created, and then we shall perform the integrity checks. Before we proceed to that, let us see what we have done. So this is our ground floor wall panel. This is our wall panel at landing level. This is our joist detail for the floor at first floor level. This is the wall panels at first floor level. This is the wall panel at cantilever point of the beams image structure, and these are the trusses. Before we start leveling at ground floor, let us see what is there in the P set. So, in P set, let us go to option. In leveling option, we have all the load bearing and non-load bearing options. So let us change this load bearing prefix LB, non-load bearing prefix NLB, and save. The command for leveling is PLA. It is asking for selection, so let us select one wall and then the other wall. Enter. Now it is asking what should be the starting number for leveling. Enter 1. So you can see the prefixes has been given. Beam number has been assigned. This has been all leveled. Now let us go to the mid landing level. Here we shall go to P set again. In option leveling, let us make it for mid landing level MLB and MNLB. Save. Now again the command PLA. Enter, asking for what to the name. So we have got the name. Now we have to go to the joist. The joists are already leveled on, but in the joist we have to assign the support line. We did not assign the support line because the moment we start assigning support line, the polygon we have created for creating the joist gets broken down. So we feel we do not get any polygon for selection. So during the creation of the joist we did not create the support line. Now it is time to create the support line. Now let us see what is the layer for the joist. So let us click on joist and then PR enter. It's same as AutoCAD command. So this is layer for color layout flows. Now let us go to layers. Look for layer float and put this wall off. Now we have all this wall. So let us make the support line. SL is the command for the support line. Enter. SL. Enter. SL. Enter. Then SL again. Enter. Select the border. Enter. Then SL. Enter. Select the border. Enter. SL. Enter. Select the border. Enter. So our support line has been created. We should now put on the layer again. Let us perform the Joist. We shall change the name of the leveling to Joist. Go to option. Let us make side bearer joist for SJ and joist prefix for floor bearer floor joist as SJ, FJ, and end bearer. Let us keep E only because there is not much level available. Save it. Now give the command JLA. Enter. Select all the one joist, then all the joist. Enter. So it is asking for joist leveling number. Enter 1. Type 1 and then enter. So now you can see the joist has been named as per the prefixes we have provided. Now let us go to the first floor. Reset. Enter. Option, detailing option. We are changing it again. Load bearing with non-load LB and LB. Save. Go to first floor. ELA. Select all the panel. Enter. Now we will start with 101. 101. So you can see this all the beams and panels has been assigned with this name. Again we go to the upper level. Here we have the panel that is above the cantilever beam. So let us go to preset again. So in option, leveling information, we make CLB and CNLB. Save. PLA is the command for leveling. PLA, type PLA and then enter. Then select the wall, then enter. It is asking for one name. So let us put it 101. So they have been named 101. Now here is the TLA, truss, the command for leveling the trusses are TLA. So before that we go to T set. We have option standard truss. So we change for the standard truss ST. Save. Now the command for truss is TLA. Let us enter starting number as 1. So you can see they all have been named. This is one truss. We do not want as a gable truss. Gable truss is provided as vertical waves only. So we need a truss that is having wave truss. So we copy ST1, select a base point and take it there. With this, the leveling is performed. Now we shall perform an integrity check at each level. Before we go to checking for integrity checks, we should run another command, that is PUA panel update command, that will put start in the panel. PUA, enter. You can see the studs has been provided. For load bearing wall there are double studs, and for non-load bearing wall there are single stud. We can change this because these side walls will not carry much of the joist. Now see at opening there are only one joist, so we should check that also. We should provide number of joist for jam stud. So let us go to the listing of this opening. We should have actually changed this double stud. Wherever double stud is required, we should have changed this to a lesser value. Then only double stud would have been created. So let us perform a LI. Select on all, LI. Let us go to the stud data. For double stud, we are now changing the dimension to 750 mm. Now again we have to perform stud update command, that is PU panel update, PUA. Now you can see double studs has been provided about the openings. So now let us go for integrity check. Now let us perform the integrity check. IC is the command. 12 walls not found touching each other. We knew the 12, there are 12 walls which are not touching each other because of the post. Then found 17 on item with no detail sheet. I will come back to this later. Then let us perform a IC check at this point, but this wall above the landing beam had a opening, so let us add that opening. That opening got somehow, probably because of copying it or somewhere else. UW opening height 216, opening height is 12, then enter. Opening height is 1520, enter. It shall be placed at the center, so take it at center. Now click the end point, click the end point. This has been happened. Let us perform a PUA again. Skip PUA. Now you can see the stud arrangement has been changed. Now let us perform integrity check over this IC. Only one wall is founding not touching to the, so this is one wall which is not touching with other wall on either side, so that's not a which is touching with other wall and other fluid. So let us perform integrity check here. IC. Enter. (120) floor member clashing with each other member. So these are the members in block which are actually touching with, so they have been created by FRAMECAD software itself. You see it is just touching it, so this is not a problem at all, so we can ignore it. Now let us go to first floor. IC is the command. IC, select all the walls. Now see, 10 walls are found not touching each other. That should be probably because of the MS members there, but one wall is found with over maximum length. So let us check part by part. IC. So there is this part has a one wall which is long. So this member seems to be very long. So let us cut this member at a point here. Line command. Now MC is the command for cutting the panel. Select the panel, cut it here. Okay, delete the line. Now let us make a IC command. There is still one member which is found to be IC. This is the member. We have to provide a cut option here also. So let us cut this member at the line, same line with steel column. MC, enter, select the wall, provide a cut. MC, enter, select the wall, then cut. OK. So let us make a IC command again. Still one wall is found over IC. Let us look for it. You can see this wall is still more than 3.1 meter. So let us make a cut somewhere here. MC, the panel cut. So we have got this. Now let us check IC for these three walls. Still it is being said one wall is not touched here. Let us look for it. This is the wall which is not touching to this wall. We can make it touching by drawing a line here like this. Delete this wall, or probably these two walls are not touching each other. So let us do one thing. Let us join this member MJ. Now let us make a IC check. So now let us make a IC check of entire. There are panels which are not touching each other, but because there are some panels so which we must see whether the counting has wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. IC. 10 walls are not touching each other according to our counting in for this MS member. That is okay. So now we have to perform a PLA again for this member because we have divided this. So before that we have to go to P set so that our prefix remains same. P set option, giving information, NLB and LB, save. Now PLA command, PLA, enter, 101, enter. They have been labeled. Now let us make an integrity check again. So it is okay now. Let us make integrity check for this also. So one wall is there which is not touching, so this wall is there. Okay. With this our checking of IC command is over. Panel integrity check. In next section we'll insert braces to all this wall. First the K braces and then the strap braces. The K braces shall be diagonal between the horizontal members of the panel, and the strap braces shall be from the top of the member to the bottom of the member, a diagonal strap that will act as a truss tension member. So let us now save this file and log out from FRAMECAD. File, save.